Brian Sensei here. Are you the type of person that has multiple email accounts that you're managing? Wouldn't it be great if you could take all of those email accounts and funnel them into one email address? In this video, I'm going to show you how to forward Google Mail accounts and Outlook Mail accounts into a single email address. Let's check it out. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is pull up my Google Mail. So I'm going to open up the Chrome browser here. Here I am in my Google Mail account. So in order to forward my Google email to another email address, I'm going to go over here to the top right and click on the gear icon. And I'm going to click on See All Settings. In here, you're going to see tabs across the top. We're going to want to click on Forwarding and POP/IMAP. All right, and right here we have Forwarding and add a forwarding address. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and forward this to my Brian Sensei Outlook account, and I'll click Next. Here it's going to ask me to verify that it's me by entering a code I received on my phone. Or you can click on More Ways to Verify. And I can have a code sent to my phone through text message. All right, I'll click Next. All right, and we can see it now gives us this quick message, forwarding mail to briansensei@outlook.com. I'll click Proceed. All right, a confirmation link has been sent to briansensei@outlook.com to verify permission. All right, so I will go over to my Outlook email. So I'm going to go here to Microsoft Edge. I'm logged into Microsoft 365 Home, and I will go to my Outlook app over here on the left. All right, and here's that email, Gmail team. And I can go ahead and follow this link to verify. And I'm actually going to copy and paste it back in the Chrome browser because that's where I'm logged in. And we get to confirm the following: from, to, and confirm. All right, confirmation success. All right, now notice here it still just says add a forwarding address. So I'm going to go ahead and refresh this page. And now we're going to see that we have some new settings. And you'll notice that forwarding is currently disabled. So now we can turn it on. We're going to forward a copy of incoming mail to, and here I'll just type in that Brian Sensei email address. And now here I have some options. So I can keep Gmail's copy in the inbox, where I'll have a copy here still, as well as having another copy in Brian Sensei's email. But you have other options. We can say mark the Gmail copy as read. We can archive the Gmail copies, or we can delete the copies. So this is kind of nice. You have 4 different options here. All right, and then all you do is come down to the bottom and click Save Changes. And now look at this. You'll see here in this pink bar across the top that you are forwarding your email to, and this notice will end in 7 days. All right, now let's see the process in Outlook Mail. I am going to go here again to the settings icon in the top right and make sure I'm in the mail settings, and then we'll find forwarding and IMAP right here. And here it's going to ask us to sign in and verify the account in order to forward your email. I'll sign in here. All right, and here we go, enable forwarding. And then here I specify the email address that I am forwarding to, whichever that may be. And here you have an option to keep a copy of the forwarded messages. All right, here you get a chance to set an email alias. And that's pretty much all you need to do. We'll go ahead and click Save to save this change. And boom shakalaka, we're good to go.
Please like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.